Most of us get easily enrolled in a gym membership while actually getting ourselves off the comfort zone and move to the gym is the toughest part. While the continuous skipping workout session and physical activity makes you even lazier, as you always want to maintain weight and to be more active, but you may not be fully responsible. The lack of desire to do physical activity and just be lazy may be in your DNA, specifically your coach potato gene. The lack of motivation for jogging or any physical activity can be linked to the coach potato gene, a modification of a normal gene that regulates activity levels. Without transforming dopamine receptor from the normal gene, people are more likely to sit idle with compared to those who do not have coach potato gene. During long evolution, our brains and bodies designed to respond positively to natural rewards like food, sex, and exercise. Wait, exercise? Yes, you heard right. Dopamine is often seen as the main chemical of pleasure. But the current opinion in pharmacology is that dopamine instead affects incentive salience, which means that it transmits signal for the value of an outcome which motivates the organism to achieve an outcome. In 2010, a study found that dopamine system can control drive forces as well as motivation and reward behavior. Researchers have suggested laziness may be hereditary. Let me explain with you a study. As you know, the gene we inherit from our parents play a key role in the development of our brains. In 2005, a study found that the brains of mice who like to run on a wheel more often have larger dopamine system or the region that deal with the motivation and rewards in comparison to those who decide not to run as much. After 10 generations of offspring, the desire for physical activity was found affected genetically. This study helps us to explain why gym and fitness freaks feel more pleasure from exercise in comparison to being just as addictive as food and sex. Just like the mice, we all need to do an activity. Otherwise, our brains will begin to act like that of an addict who needs food and sex for pleasure. Genes can influence our impulsivity, procrastination, and of course, laziness. Although you are not able to control your desire for physical activity, you are well equipped to understand your mind and fight against your DNA. Thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Mindtalks, and you can also watch our latest and recommended videos by simply click on the link. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Each subscriber is our motivation for hard work and commitments. Thank you.